Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment. Weirdo, Tiwa Savage spotted adding sugar to her Eba and Ewedu soup. Nigerian singer Tiwatope Savage, better known as Tiwa Savage, might have to go into wars with her chef, as there is a feeling among chefs that their food is perfectly seasoned and adding salt, pepper or whatnot to it is sacrilege. The singer took to her Instagram page to share a video of herself adding sugar to her eba, a Nigerian meal made from cassava. Knowing for sure that her eating rituals might cause a stir amongst her fans, Tiwa captioned the video saying it is how she likes it and everyone just has to back off. Guys, what do you think about this? How do you eat your eba? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.